What if luxury didn't stay parked? What if a five-star penthouse could wake up, fire up that engine, and just cruise down the highway on 6 commanding wheels? This is the 2026 Cadillac 6x6 Ultra Luxury Motorhome, America's most extreme rolling mansion. And yeah, this thing is built different. Today, we're stepping inside. If you're into ultra-luxury motorhomes, wild 6-wheel executive builds, and next-level American design, you're gonna want to stick around, because the price of this machine, it changes the whole game. No cap. Exterior, authority in motion. Before it even moves, it dominates. The first impression isn't subtle, it's straight-up architectural. The illuminated Cadillac grille stands tall and unapologetic. Vertical LED light signatures slice downward like crystal blades. The hood rises high, sculpted with intention, not aggressive, just powerful. And then you see it. 3 axles, 6 wheels, a stance so long and planted, it feels closer to a presidential convoy than an RV. This isn't camping vibes, this is highway royalty. Premium metallic paint shimmers under sunlight, chrome details hit just right. Flush panoramic windows stretch across the body, giving it that futuristic executive silhouette. Pull this up to a private jet terminal? Yeah, it belongs there. Big presence, 0 apologies. The entrance, not just a door. The powered entry opens silently. Illuminated steps extend smoothly. And just like that, the outside world disappears. Interior, rolling penthouse energy. Step inside and the vibe switches instantly. From dominance to pure serenity. Soft ambient lighting traces the ceiling. Cream and ivory tones blend with brushed aluminum and piano black finishes. Everything feels curated, intentional. This isn't RV luxury. This is penthouse on wheels energy. Plush lounge seating invites you to sit, not because you're tired, but because you don't want to leave. The executive kitchen? Clean. Sleek induction surface, premium built-ins, stone-style countertops, seamless cabinetry hiding all the tech behind smooth design. And as you move toward the rear, the master suite hits different. Full-size luxury bed centered under a softly illuminated ceiling panel. Textured walls, hidden storage, serious sound insulation. Even at highway speeds, whisper quiet, big chill. The bathroom brings full spa vibes. Glass rainfall shower, matte fixtures, backlit vanity mirror. Heated style flooring that turns routine into ritual. This isn't travel, this is relocation without changing your address. Engineering, power under the hood. Now here's the thing about luxury at this level. It only works if the engineering is legit. Underneath the polished surfaces sits a heavy-duty platform built for torque, endurance, and smooth composure. Expect a high-output turbo V8 or advanced diesel setup, tuned not for racing, but for effortless confidence. The 6-wheel drivetrain distributes power across all axles. More grip, more balance, more control. Adaptive suspension reads the road in real time, adjusting constantly to keep everything smooth. For something this massive, it rides shockingly composed. It doesn't rush, it arrives. Technology: smart, seamless, and connected. Up front, a curved digital display stretches across the dash. Oversized vehicle navigation, multi-camera visibility. Real-time vehicle data. Behind the cockpit, the motorhome transforms into a smart residence. Central touch panels control lighting moods, climate zones, entertainment systems, and energy management. Satellite connectivity, integrated Wi-Fi, premium surround sound, mobile remote access. Parked oceanside or crossing state lines, you stay connected, always. Safety, confidence at scale. At this size, intelligence equals security. Adaptive cruise control, extended blind spot monitoring, lane assist, 360-degree camera systems, advanced stability control tuned specifically for a 6-wheel platform. Reinforced chassis, heavy-duty braking. Luxury without compromise. Pricing, the reality check. All right, let's talk numbers. Estimated starting price between $1.5 and $2 million. And that's just the beginning. Fully bespoke builds, easily climbing way past that. Custom interiors, off-grid systems, bespoke paint, concierge delivery. This isn't buying a vehicle, it's acquiring an asset. Ownership comes with premium insurance, specialized service, secure storage, the whole deal. But for ultra-high net worth buyers, it's about autonomy, privacy, prestige, straight flex. Final reflection: redefining the road. The 2026 Cadillac 6x6 Ultra Luxury Motorhome doesn't compete with traditional RVs, it redefines them. It blends iconic American luxury with 6-wheel executive presence, turning highways into private corridors. At this level, the road isn't a limitation, it's a privilege. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the wildest American luxury motorhomes ever imagined, make sure you subscribe for more next-level builds and concept breakdowns. And tell me, would you spec your 6x6 Cadillac motorhome for business moves or the ultimate personal escape? I'll see you in the next one. Stay bold, stay building.